Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a simple ribbon pour with a simple color palette, and I will use my adjustable split cup. I will fill up 3 chambers, some are bigger, some are smaller. And for my base I will use some scrape of paint that it's kind of dark blue, like a Prussian blue or something. And because I will do just some ribbons with the split cup, I saw this August from August Leroy. I don't know the name of the channel. I will put in the description. He did some beautiful ribbon pour with that. Mine didn't turn out as good, but it was fun to try. So I basically spread this paint, and I will add some turquoise green, some greenish blue, some iridescent blue green, nickel azo gold, white and gold in those chambers, and then I will just create some ribbons and spin it out. I had some problems because you have to move your cup really fast. Otherwise I get the feathers, and I didn't want the feathers this time. I just want, straight lines. So I had a little problem, but at the end I like the result a lot because it reminds me of a river and the bridge or something. I don't know, floating bridge or whatever. You will see if you will watch till the end. And the dried results is really beautiful because this blue dried kind of dark, and those ribbons were just beautiful additions. So yeah, please watch till the end. Help my algorithms. I don't know, watch if you want to. Thanks, and I will talk with you again with the dried results. So here is a close-up. Really simple piece. I just want to do something really simple, just with the ribbons. And it has beautiful shimmer. I just can't show with the lights because it's just too much glare. And that iridescent green blue kind of goes from this darker blue to green. It's beautiful. So I'm happy with it. It kind of reminds me of a river and the bridge, floating bridge or whatever it's called. I don't know why. It's a modern piece of art, not a whole lot of things, but still. Beautiful one. I love it. I don't know why, but I do. So yeah, this was this simple ribbon pour. Maybe not your cup of tea, but I just want to try different things, and this was one of them today. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!